Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your daily beverage, meaning that you can add how much water have you drunk during the day on the Arise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the diary button down below, which is the first option, and scroll down to the water section. Here, if you want to indicate that you have drank a glass of water, tap on this plus icon, and each time you press, one deciliter will be added to your daily water intake. So as you can see, you need to reach the 1.9 liters of water intake a day. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.